Okay, so we're just going to start with inspecting your posterior respiratory. I'm noticing that you're having regular breathing patterns. It doesn't seem like you're struggling to breathe in and out, and no use of accessory muscles to breathe. As far as for your side, your ratio looks good from front to back. There is no barrel chest. There's no, lordosis or scoliosis with your spine. Go ahead and I'm just gonna kind of looks like auscultate your posterior lungs. So we'll do 9 sites. So there's 9 sites bilaterally, and then we just add those together for your total. So let's go ahead and start that, and we have bronchial for both sides, bronchial vesticular, and then vesticular down here. So let's go ahead and listen for some abnormal signs. So we're going to listen once for just a breath for in and out. Okay. No abnormal noises there. And then I'm going to go ahead and start with the 9 sides. So we're going to go ahead and start with 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. We're going in between the scapula and avoiding the vertebrae. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. Branch out for 7. 7. Go 8. 8. And down for